Daily dialogues in English. Practice your listening and speaking skills.
Hi there. I'm Jake, your neighbor from across the hall. Need a hand with anything?
Oh, hi Jake. That's so kind of you. I'm Mia, just moved in.
Welcome. Moving can be a hassle. Anything I can do to help?
Thanks a lot, Jake. I appreciate the help. Are you from around here?
Yeah, born and raised. If you need tips on the best local spots, I'm your guy.
That would be awesome. I'm still figuring my way around. This place is great. I had no idea there were so many cool places nearby.
It's a diverse neighborhood with a lot to offer. You'll love it.
So, what's the go-to dish around here?
There's a fantastic Italian place a few blocks away. Their pasta is a game changer.
Sounds perfect. Let's check it out. It's always interesting to meet new people. Tell me more about yourself, Jake.
Well, I work at the tech company downtown. In my free time, I love hiking and photography.
That's awesome. I'm a graphic designer. We might have more in common than I thought. Thanks for the great evening, Jake. I feel lucky to have a friendly neighbor like you.
Anytime, Mia. If you ever need anything or just want to hang out, I'm right across the hall.
I'll keep that in mind. See you around.
Hey, mind if I join you? The place is crowded, and this is the only free table.
Sure, no problem. Name's Chris, by the way.
Jordan. Nice to meet you. What brings you to this cafe? I saw you typing away. Writer?
Freelance. Working on an article. And you? With that camera, I'd guess photographer.
Nailed it. Capturing moments and stories, you know?
What if we collaborate on something? Words and images, a fusion of our creativity.
I like that. It could be a refreshing project. What's on your mind?
How about a series on city life? Your photos, my words.
Sounds intriguing. Let's explore the city and document it in our own ways.
This city has so many stories to tell. Your photos will add a unique perspective.
And your words will bring them to life. It's a perfect match.
These photos are incredible, Jordan. They tell a story on their own.
Your words complement them perfectly. This collaboration was a great idea.
Let's create a blog. Share our perspectives with the world.
Agreed. It's a journey worth taking together.